friends. It's time for our second large group, and guess what we're going to play today? We're going to play Friends Jumping Jolly. You want to know what Friends Jumping Jolly is? Well, you have to wait until we answer the question of the day and then we'll play, okay? So, we are now in our ball study. We're going to be talking about balls. We're going to be talking about different types of balls, what they do, how they move, what they're made of, all things balls. We're going to be talking about, okay? And also, I want you to have your parents text me your answer to the question of the day. And the question of the day says, which is your favorite ball? Do you like footballs or beach balls or basketballs or baseballs or bouncy balls? What kind of balls are your favorite types of balls? Tell me the one that's your favorite, and Miss Charles is going to make a chart with all the friends and all the different types of balls that they like. And then on Wednesday, Miss Charles will show everybody the chart. So all of your friends will get to see what your favorite ball is, okay? All right. So now we are going to play Friends Jolly. Yay! Okay. So it's just like our regular jumping jolly, except instead of just being plain letters like this, it's going to have your friends' names on it. Okay. So we will say each friend's name. So we'll say the letter sound, the friend's name. Then Miss Charles has made special jumping jolly cards for this, and you'll know when you're supposed to jump, okay? All right, so here we go. P P Q Q Z Z Z. Do you like your zipper? Z. Jumping jolly. One, two, three, sit. B B B Beulah. C C Miss Charles. U A A A Allison, Aiden, Anthony. Y Jumping jolly. One, two, three, six. W X X X. V V. Jumping jolly. One, two, three, six. O I S Sophia. D D D Dewan. Jumping jolly. One, two, three, six. E E E Edwin. F F G G G Grace. H Jumping jolly. One, two, three, six. I I Ian. J J J Jet Johann Jose. Jumping Jolly. 1, 2, 3, sit. K, K, Kareem and Kingston. L, L, ooh, Landon. M, M, Miss McNair. N, Nahum, Nina, Noah. Jumping Jolly. 1, 2, 3, sit. All right, friends, I hope that you enjoyed Jumping Jolly with friends, and I will talk to you soon. Have a good day.